everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to color a fish. So let's start. First I apply dark blue like this. We apply it deep layer to light layer. If you like, you can use one color for this also, but when we use 2 or 3 or like that, it will give you a great view, great art. So let's use few colors for this. Normally I use few colors for my coloring like this, and let's apply light blue like this. I apply it as a deep layer all over there, here also, and here. After that I add dark blue like this, and here I use yellow color as a deep layer. I use it all over there. If you like any other colors, you can also use. And these fins also I use yellow color. Here also. Take your time and enjoy the process. And I add red color like this. You can use your hand freely for do this. And here also. And the water bubble. First I apply dark blue in the side. After that I apply light blue like this. So this is our fish. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for being with me.